Class 10th Triangles, chapter number 6. Today we'll start the exercise 6.4, which is based on the areas of similar triangle concept. So let's start the problems of this exercise. So here it's question number 2 of the exercise says diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O and AB is equal to twice of CD. Find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. So the figure is given. ABCD is a trapezium where the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O. Now we take the two triangles of this trapezium and we prove the two triangles which we are taking, they are the similar triangles. So let's take triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now in these two triangles, as AC and BD are the diagonals and they intersect each other at point O, so the vertically opposite angles formed, angle COD and angle AOB. These vertically opposite angles are equal, so we can write angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Now again it is given AB line is parallel to CD and AC is its transversal. So here we get angle OAB and angle OCD. These two angles are equal as they are alternate interior angles. So we can write angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Now here we are getting two angles, that is AA. So by AA similarity criteria, we say that the two triangles are similar, and we know that if the two triangles are similar, then we can write the ratio of the areas of these two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle AOB is upon area of triangle COD is equal to AB square upon DC square. So as it is given in the problem, AB is equal to twice of CD. So in place of AB, we can write twice of CD or twice of DC. So let's write the value for this. So area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to twice of CD whole square upon DC square. So this CD we can write DC also. So numerator and denominator here is the same terms. Now 2 square, that will become 4. So we get 4 DC square upon DC square. So DC square upon DC square will cancel out and we get 4 upon 1. Now we can write the area of AOB ratio area of COD is equal to 4:1 or 4:1. So here we have to find out the area ratio of these two triangles. So ratio of these two triangles AOB and COD is 4:1. Next, question number 4 says if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. So it is ABC and DEF are the two triangles and they are the similar triangles, and areas of two similar triangles are equal given, that is area of ABC is equal to DEF is given. We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So given two triangles ABC and DEF, and it is also given that the triangles are similar and their areas are equal. Now we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Now let's start the proof. As we know that the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. We are writing the ratio of the corresponding sides. So AB upon DE, and next is AC square upon DF square, and then BC square upon EF square. But it is given that area of these two triangles ABC and DEF is equal. So we can write, we transpose this area of DEF to the left hand side in the position denominator, as it is multiplied by 1, so it will become a denominator of the left hand side. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to 1. That meaning is the ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to 1. So if we take square of this 1 for making both the sides are same, so 1 into 1, that is 1, so there is no harm to write 1 as 1 square. So here we get all the terms of the ratio of the corresponding sides having the squares, and right hand side also square, so square and square will cancel out as the exponents are same. So we get the bases of the sides are equal, left hand side and right hand side. So we can write AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF is equal to 1. Now let one by one we take this. AB upon DE is equal to 1. So by this we get AB is equal to DE. When we take AC upon DF is equal to 1, so we get here AC is equal to DF. Similarly, when take BC upon EF is equal to 1, we get BC is equal to EF. Now we get these three sides are equal. These three corresponding sides are equal to each other. Then in the triangle ABCD and triangle DEF, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So for proving these two triangles are congruent, we take these triangles, and what we has find out that three sides, by the similarity, these three sides are equal. So in these two triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to DF, and BC is equal to EF. So all the three sides are equal. That meaning by SSS, side congruency criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, and hence it is proved that these two triangles, when they are similar and their areas are same, they are congruent. Now let's talk about the question number 5 of this exercise. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of side AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Ratio of the areas of triangle DEF, that is smaller triangle, and ABC, that is big triangle. So let's start this. As we have given a triangle ABC and DEF are the three midpoints of the sides AB, AC and BC. So as we know that midpoints are there, that meaning that sides are divided into two equal parts. We have to remember this point. Now by joining these three midpoints, we get a triangle DEF. So now we have to prove, or we have to find the ratio of this small triangle to the ratio of area of these two triangles ABC. Small triangle upon big triangle, ratio of the areas of these two. So since these D and E are the midpoints of BC and CA, so we can write midpoints are there, so DE line is parallel to AB, or this line DE is parallel to, we can write FA also. So similarly, since D and F for this side we can talk about DF. It is also parallel to AC. Then again DF is also parallel to CE. Then by these two equations, we say that when DF is parallel to AC, that meaning DF is parallel to AE also. So ABCAF DE is a parallelogram, this one, upper one. AFDE, this is the parallelogram. Similarly, we can prove BDEF is also a parallelogram, and this one DCEF is also a parallelogram. Now, let's consider the two triangles. One of the triangle is DEF and one the triangle ABC. Now, in these two triangles, as angle FDE, this angle D in the small triangle FDE is equal to this one angle A, as we have find out that AEDF is a parallelogram. So A and D are the opposite angles of parallelogram and they are equal. Similarly, angle DEF, angle E of the triangle DEF, and angle B of the triangle ABC. Now here again BDEF is a parallelogram, so angle this B and angle this E are the opposite angles of parallelogram. So again these two angles are equal. Now in the small triangle DEF and big triangle ABC, we are getting pair of two angles are equal. Then by the AA similarity, we can write triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. And when we talk about the areas of these two similar triangles, so we get area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DE whole square upon AB whole square. Now DE, this side DE, we can write this side DE in terms of AB, that is half of AB, as it is given DE and DEAF is a parallelogram. That means DE is equal to AF and F is the midpoint of the side AB. So we have AF is half of AB. That is twice of AF is equal to AB. Also we can write, as these two AF and BF both the parts are equal. So AB consists of side AF plus FB. So in place of DE we can write half of AB. So it is half of AB. Now taking the squares of these, so 1 by 2 whole square will become 1 by 4 and AB upon AB. So AB upon AB will cancel out and we get 1 by 4. So area of triangle DEF is upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 4. So we can say that area of triangle DEF ratio area of triangle ABC is 1:4 or 1:4. So the ratio of the area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC is 1:4. Now let's talk about one more problem of this exercise, question number 6, where we have to prove the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Here we have to prove that the area is square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Now, as in the figure, ABC and PQR are two triangles. They are similar triangles and AD is the median of this side BC. PM is the median of QR of the triangle ABC and PQR, and we have to prove area of ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD square upon PM whole square. Now, for proving this, let's start. When it is given these two triangles are similar, so by the relationship of the area of two similar triangle, we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of their corresponding sides ratio of square of their corresponding sides, that is AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square is equal to BC square upon QR square. Now, also when the triangles are similar, we get the sides are in proportions. So again we can write AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. So we take the two side ratio of these two sides as AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. As it is given, AD is the median and PM is also the median. So we know that the median of the triangle divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Now, as in this triangle, AD and PM are the medians. So D is the midpoint of side BC and M is the midpoint of side QR. So BC is twice of BD and QR is twice of QM. So we can write AB upon PQ is equal to twice of BD upon twice of QM, and 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we get AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. Now we take the triangles ABD and triangle PQM. Now in these two triangles we have AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM, one relation, and second is angle B is equal to angle Q, that is equal, as the triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, so corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal, so B is equal to angle Q. Now here ratio of two sides and angle between them are equal, so we can say by SAS similarity triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now for the relationship of areas of these two triangles, we can write as ratio of the corresponding sides are equal in the similar triangles, that is AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM when these two triangle ABD and PQM are similar. Now the area is given by ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, AC square upon PR square, and BC square upon QR square. As AB upon PQ, we proved it is equal to BD upon QM and also equal to AD upon PM. So in place of AB upon PQ, we can write AD upon PM. So we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, or it is equal to AC square upon PR square, or it is equal to AD square upon PM square. Now we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is equal to AD square upon PM square, and AD upon PM is nothing but it is the medians. AD and PM are the medians. So here we can say these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of these two triangles is ratio of the square of their medians, and it's proved.